Dear friends, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our exclusive 7-week Salesforce mentoring program beginning this May 10th. This program is designed for those embarking on the Salesforce journey and combines a fast-track learning process with an immersive educational experience. It condenses months and months of learning into just 7 weeks, enabling you to gain a rock-solid understanding of Salesforce's platform and configuration capabilities, which is crucial to building a successful Salesforce career in various roles, be it as a Salesforce business analyst, Salesforce administrator, implementation consultant, solution architect, or even a developer to build applications that are robust, scalable, and easy to maintain, and of course, project managers, so you can more accurately estimate the time and resources needed for various tasks, but have a more meaningful conversation with your clients and implementation teams. This meticulously crafted 7-week mentoring program is designed to push you beyond your comfort zone and is tailored for ambitious individuals who are ready to commit, willing to invest the required time and effort, and eager to conquer the challenges of entering a new field and mastering Salesforce. The program combines recorded and live sessions, weekly Q&A sessions, digital handouts for offline references, loads and loads of hands-on activities, weekly assignments, mini projects simulating real-world scenarios, quizzes, mock interviews, tips, and so much more. You'll also be receiving personalized one-on-one guidance to ensure that your unique career aspirations are addressed, tailoring your learning journey and guiding your professional path effectively. The ultimate goal of this program is to ensure that upon completion, you are fully prepared to step into your role with confidence. You will be equipped to articulate your thoughts clearly, engage in meaningful conversations with stakeholders, and make a strong, positive impact from day one. This program is going to be a game changer for job seekers, providing a competitive edge against more experienced candidates. Finally, you will also receive strategic advice on recession-proofing your career, building an impressive resume, and optimizing your LinkedIn profile for maximum visibility and opportunities. For self-learners who find themselves navigating a sea of information, this program serves as a crucial beacon, providing the guidance of an experienced mentor to swiftly navigate your learning path and supercharge your career growth. So, if you are ready to make a significant progress in your Salesforce learning journey, go ahead and fill out this short form to express your interest. We will contact you soon with all the details to get started. Remember, action is the key to realizing dreams and achieving goals. I'll see you inside in the mentoring program. Cheers.